Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today's video will take a look at AutoDS prices for weeks. I'll show the best variant and how can you get a longer free trial. So basically we have three plans here: import 200, starter 500, and also advanced 1k. The main difference is of course in the number of products we can use, and also if you're going to pay annually we can save up to 25%. So we'll get these prices like $20, $30, and also like $50 per month. And if we're going to pay monthly, we'll have to pay a little bit more. So if you want to use AutoDS for a long time, I definitely recommend you to use annual payment. And what options do we have on import on starter? Because on advanced we'll have the option to get like more products and also like some additional features, but I don't think that it's that necessary. So the best like parameter we need to compare is like import and starter. So on import we have like product research tool, draft manager, order manager, product manager, product image editor, product variation support, smart filter system, extension, one-click draft creator, and full business dashboard. And on the starter we'll get all the features from Plus, but we can add 2.5 times more products. We'll get full product editor, bulk product importer, automated order supported, fulfillment by AutoDS service, automatic tracking updates, copy paste extension for shipping addresses, smart pricing rule system. And what does it mean? It means that basically if you're going to pay like 1.5 times more, we'll get much more features. As for me, the best features like full product editor, bulk product importer, and also like automatic tracking updates supported on starter. And as for me, the best variant to use like AutoDS for weeks is a starter plan, so like $30 per month. And I definitely recommend you to start from this plan, and after that if you want to increase the number of products you can upgrade it to advanced. And if you want to get the best possible price, to get the best possible variant to buy, you can find my affiliate link at the description. So you'll be able to get 1 month for only $1 on AutoDS, which is pretty cool. You can decide is it suitable as for you to use it, and after that you can continue using AutoDS. So go to the description, use my link, and then just register your account. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe. Goodbye.